Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to use the NIM AI to create or generate the video. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So in this time I'd like to try this NIM AI from my laptop, and you can start to put your keyword over here, NIM AI, and this is the suggestion, and you can start to click it. And if you are the new user, this will be the home page, and you can start to log in with your Google account or click this try now. And after that, it will direct you into this field to create or put your prompt into this section. For example, I had actually tried to generate a video over here, but for the really new user, for example, if I would like to click it, so you need to purchase the package over here. I will give you the example that the package they offer is here. They are free, and also the detail over here for the starter, pro, and max. And don't worry, because as the new user, you can still also create or try to make the video, whether they're in the story type, video, or image. For example, this, when you scroll down, there are several video stories that you can try to create the video. And as you can see, when you direct your cursor here, there will be the button generate for free. So I will give you the example over here. You can click this generate for free, and it will give you the example over here, the example of the prompt. And the prompt is about the story, and as you can see, the aspect ratio here is 9:16, and the video length is about 10 until 20 seconds. And also you can adjust the control over here. For example, you can choose the visual style to become video documentary, and if you would like to explore more about this visual style, then you can choose one from the another video style over here, such as the realism, animation, illustration, gaming, artistic, and internet culture. And after that, you can also choose the image model. For example, there are the Imagine type, GPT image, Gen 4 image, Flux Pro, and High Dream. And you can also continue to choose the tone of voice here. For example, you want this video to become observational comedy, but if you would like to change it, then you can choose the tone of voice itself, because it also what is your purpose that you would like to produce of the video. And also you can choose the voice over here, who will bring or to be the dubber. There are the female and male over here. And also you can add the caption for each image that represent the story. Or if you don't want to put the caption, then you can choose no caption over here. And also you can choose the background audio. Don't worry, because they will provide you a lot of background audio. And also the GPT image quality is to become high, but it will take 30 credits over here. But if you choose the medium, it will only take 10 credits. And after you already apply about the control things over here, then you can start to generate for free, and it will take you a while. And let's see the result.
Everyone's heard about the Stanford prison experiment, right? Oh, you give college kids uniforms and suddenly they're all channeling evil dictators. But you ever notice nobody asks why the guards seemed so On task? Turns out Zimbardo and his team weren't just handing out bad.
Because it's about the story, then you can start to use this video to post it into your favorite social media. You can click this share, or you can start to download it, and you can also choose again that this video story will be with the caption or without the caption. For example, if I download with the caption, I will click it and it will directly download the video story. It will take you a while over here, and let's see the result. It will show as same as what we receive of the result over here. And don't worry, because you can explore more about their tools that they have provided, and also to explore the another result from another user. And you can start to
Did you know crocodiles have
if you would like to know what is the title and what is the purpose. For example, this it is for the story video, and you can also choose or take the inspiration about the visual style, image model, tone of voice, and the voice itself, the video length, the caption, transition, the background, and also the resolution and agent. And also you can start to try to, let's say, animate the scene, upscale it, or edit the story, or reuse this input. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try and explore about this NIM AI, and I believe that you can master this AI to create your best video in your social media. So that's all. I hope you like, and also this video find you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like, and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.